next story is of the two rings. A rich old man died leaving two sons. For some time, the two continued living together in a traditional Indian way, in a single joint household, a joint family. Then they quarreled and decided to separate, dividing all the property between them. Everything was divided 50-50. Thus, they settled their affairs. But after the settlement had been made, a small packet was discovered which had been carefully hidden by the father. They opened the packet and found two rings. Inside one set with the valuable diamond and the other an ordinary silver ring worth only a few rupees. Seeing the diamond, the elder brother developed greed in his mind. He started explaining to the younger brother, "To me it appears that this ring is not the earning of a father, but rather an heirloom from his forefather. That is why he kept it separate from his other possessions. And since it has been kept for generations in a family, it should remain for the future generation. Therefore, I, being elder, shall keep it. You had better take the silver ring." The younger brother smiled and said, "All right, be happy with the diamond ring. I'll be happy with the silver one." Both of them placed the rings on their fingers and went their way. The younger brother thought to himself, "It is easily understandable that my father kept the diamond ring. It is so valuable. But why did he keep this ordinary silver ring?" He examined the rings closely and found some words engraved in it. "This will also change. Oh, this is the mantra of my father. This will also change." He replaced the ring on his finger. Both brothers faced all ups and downs of life. When spring came, the elder brother became highly elated, losing the balance of his mind. When autumn or winter came, he fell into deep depression, again losing his mental balance. He became tense, developing hypertension, unable to sleep at night. He started using sleeping pills, tranquilizers, stronger drugs. Finally, he reached the stage where he required electric shock treatments. This was the brother with the diamond ring. As for the younger brother with the silver ring, when spring came, he enjoyed it. He did not try to run away from it. He enjoyed it, but looked at his ring and remembered, this will also change. When it changed, he could smile and say, "Well, I knew it was going to change. It has changed, so what?" When autumn or winter came, again he looked at his ring and remembered, this will also change. He didn't start crying, knowing that this would also change. And yes, it also changed. It passed away. Of all the ups and downs, vicissitudes of life, he knew that nothing is eternal, that everything comes just to pass away. He did not lose the balance of his mind, and he lived a peaceful, happy life. This was the brother with the silver ring. Cheers, guys. Thank you so much. If you like the video, hit the like button. If you want to share something, please comment below in the box. Subscribe to our channel Meditative Soul for such regular and amazing content.